Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Intermediate Level Quiz. What is the plural form of index? Indexes, indice, index. Indexes. Identify the indirect object in the sentence. She gave her friend a gift. She gave friend. Friend. What is the correct form of the verb? They blank their homework already. Is doing. Has done. Have done. Have done. They have done their homework already. Choose the correct modal verb. You blank bring an umbrella. It might rain. Can, must, should. Should. You should bring an umbrella. It might rain. What is the correct form of to be in the present perfect tense? She blank studying here for 5 years. Am, is, has been. Has been. She has been studying here for 5 years. Identify the preposition in the sentence. The cat is blank the roof. On, in, sit. On. The cat is on the roof. What is the correct form of the verb? I blank my keys at home. Forgot. Forget. Forgetting. Forgot. I forgot my keys at home. What is the correct comparative form of tall? Taller, tallier, short, taller. Choose the correct conjunction. I like pizza, blank I prefer pasta, and, but, or. But. I like pizza, but I prefer pasta. What is the superlative form of far? Farthest, farthest, far, farthest. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The movie was boring. Movie was boring. Boring. What is the correct form of to be in the past perfect tense? She blank already finished her work when I arrived. Am, is, had. Had. She had already finished her work when I arrived. Choose the correct preposition. I am allergic blank cats. For, to, with. To. I am allergic to cats. What is the correct plural form of knife? Knives, 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 knives. What is the correct article? I need blank pencil, not blank pen. A, an, a. A. I need a pencil, not a pen. What is the correct form of the verb? They blank the news. Is watching, are watching, be watching, are watching. They are watching the news. Choose the correct modal verb. You blank finish your work on time. Does, have, must, must. You must finish your work on time. What is the correct form of to be in the present continuous tense? They blank playing soccer. Am, is, are. Are. They are playing soccer. Identify the direct object in the sentence. She baked a cake. She baked cake. Cake. What is the correct past tense of drink? Drinking, drank, drinked, drank.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.